What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papi Mango and Mango to your investments. And today we'll be looking at Bitcoin. Just what might happen next. And can't really tell you, man. I cannot really tell you what's really gonna happen next. The price, as you guys saw, it switched up from my last video to what I did there. You know, I had the lines going up here, but you know, we came down this level of support. Well, was it? Yeah, support, and now it turned into resistance after, you know, just inevitably breaking out and then coming back down, and now we're just in, you know, this apex form. We might consolidate in here for a while, but I got something to tell you guys. CPI inflation numbers are coming out this Thursday. And with gas prices hitting an all-time high, gas prices potentially projecting to hit $300. I don't know when, but it's honestly, man, I don't know. I don't know, guys. This is it's a weird time to be alive right now. Really weird time to be alive, but Bitcoin's the answer. Everyone knows Bitcoin's the answer. Guys, if you watch Cryptos R Us, George, that's all he says. All he says is Bitcoin is the answer. And I believe him. I believe him. Because last week, the reason why we had this pump was because people kept buying. Ukraine and Russians kept buying Bitcoin because they can't access their funds, their bank accounts. They're locking them out of their bank accounts. So what are they doing? They're turning to Bitcoin. A decentralized asset. Decentralized. Not centralized, decentralized. Which means not controlled by anybody. You control your own. If you have a hardware wallet like this, a Ledger Live, you control your assets as long as you have the key passphrase. Let me connect this. And I'll show you my portfolio on this ledger. On this ledger, I have about half of my Bitcoin is in here. The other half is in my Robinhood account. I'm waiting until I get until I make profits there. I'm gonna transfer it over here, cause guys, Robinhood has crypto wallets now. Yay! XRP. I got all my XRPs here. About $300 worth, $400 worth. I got some Polygon. I don't know why this. I don't know. This is more of a Ethereum, but then there's Decentraland, just a little bit of it. But guys, as you can see, this is all secured. It is not going nowhere. It's not going to get hacked. Why? Because it's in my ledger, and in my ledger, you can't get robbed unless they steal your passphrase. If you get robbed at gunpoint and a guy is asking for your ledger, you can give him the ledger. He's not gonna know the password. He's not gonna know the PIN code for that ledger. He's not gonna know the passphrase. He's not. He could just take it and then run away. But just I'm not advocating for it. It's not a sponsor. Ledger is not a sponsor or anything. I don't have sponsors yet. I want sponsors, but we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. But guys, just so you know, ledgers are the best way to store your cryptocurrency. That's just a disclaimer, and I disclosed my portfolio. But continuing on from that, Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin, guys. I see us, this month could be a consolidating month where we possibly do another bottom right here in this area. We could bottom here because, guys, we are forming this is pretty much a head and shoulder pattern. If this just swings upwards and then bounces down here, that's the neckline right here, and then boom, we go back up. Try to retest this. I know the chart looks messy. I know the chart looks messy, guys. Let's actually remove the drawings. Let's remove the drawings, okay? Because everything is looking messy. That's just how that's just how this is. That is just how this is. So we'll do this. We will do this. Boom and boom. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to see right here. This right here is all you really need to see right now, because we came a long way from this wedge where we went from 69,000 all the way down to 32,000, 33,000. And now we're slowly coming up with the slow rising wedge or a slow ascending triangle. But if it's an ascending triangle, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. But I don't know, guys. But one thing that's for sure is that the Biden executive order is coming out real soon. Maybe this week. It might come out this week, just early. He might sign it. And that executive order gives us clear regulation for cryptocurrencies. This means, to me, I feel like this means that institutional players will have more clarity into coming into this market. Because you guys know that it's just retail investors Retail investors had an all-time high of, what was it, like 32, it's either between 20 and 30 million users who hold Bitcoin, and that's just retail investors. That is just retail investors. Now imagine we get institutional investors involved. What do you think is going to happen? Liquidity is going up. Like there's just going to be a lot of Bitcoin just passed around. Let's check on the daily chart, guys. Let's check a daily chart. The daily chart, this is how it's looking. Inevitably, I would draw a line going from here to here. This will be our purple line. This will be the line that we got to look out for if we do decide to, consolidate a little more. This purple line is where we really need to find support at. That's our long-term support. If we do decide to break down even below that, it could be very bearish for Bitcoin. We could go to 20,000. We could go to 10,000. I would say we could go to 20,000 before we could bottom out at maybe 20,000. Let's go back. Let's go back and see. So right here was 29,000. We could touch 29,000. So let's draw a line from 29,000 all the way over here. Let's make it short, straight right here. I'm gonna change the color to yellow. Let's take a caution. This is our caution line right here, guys. If we go to 29,000, just that's just that. What's it? 28,000 is another one, but 21,000 would be the next support level for Bitcoin if we do decide to break down even further below where we are at. Even if it decides to break down below 29,000. If we go 29,000, okay, we could bounce off that. That's fine. That's cool. I see that playing out. But if we go below 29,000, then there would be a lot of fear. There would be so much fear in this market, guys. And I wouldn't want to. You wouldn't want to see that. Nobody wants to see a Bitcoin below 30,000. We want higher prices, but at the same time, market cycles play out. And at this point, I'm full disclosure again. I'm very new to this market. I'm very new. I literally started learning about knowing what. What's crazy? When I was going through my taxes the other day, I saw that I bought Bitcoin at in 2019. In 2019, guys, I want to look. I want to look and see what Bitcoin's price was in 2019. In 2019, you see, it was it was right there. Imagine I held, and I even bought in 2020. I bought in 2019, I bought in 2020, but it was quick trades I did. And it's saddening for me that I had no knowledge in the crypto space at the time. So imagine I bought $100 here at 8,000. 8,000. I bought at this peak. What if I bought at that peak at 11,000? Regardless, from there until now, that would have been a 3x. Say I put $100 in it, I have 300. I put $1,000 in there, I have $3,000. But what if I bought right here at 3,000, 3,000 or 4,000? Let's say 3,000. What if I bought 3,000? 3,000 right now, we're at 33,000. That's 11x. I put $1,000 in there, that's 10,000. Easy. 11,000, 10,000, 11,000. Easy. Easy money. And all I had to do was wait 3 years. Not even that, guys. At the top here, 69 fucking thousand. Oh my god. Say you bought at 3,000 and you held all the way till 69,000. What's that? That's like almost 20x, right? I don't even know at this point. I don't even know at this point. Let me do the math. Let me do the math on my phone because I can't do that in my head. Cause all right, so I bought it at 3,000. What did that be? All right, 69,000 divided by 3,000. Yeah, 23x. So 23x. That's $23,000 if you put $1,000 in there. Now imagine right now. Right now we're sitting at 38,000. 38,000. My 69,000. I mean, minus 38,000. You would need to be at, if it drops to 31,000, going to 69,000, that's 1x, 100x guaranteed. But guys, we are projected to hit 100k this year, and if not this year, next year. So from now until 100k, that's a 2, almost maybe 3x if it goes a little above 3. If it goes to like 120k, 100. Like I would say, let's keep it safe at 140k, 130, 140k. That's a stretch. That's a long stretch. But I feel like we could make that in the next 2 years. In the next 2 years, I am that bullish to say that yeah, we could evidently go up to 100 some thousand. But that's also playing out that if we do reach that top of 100,000, I know a lot of people will take profits. People with like 10 Bitcoin will take profit because what's 10 times 100? What's 10 times 100,000? That's $1 million, right? Yeah, people are cashing out $1 million if they have 10 Bitcoin, or if they hodl, or if they just sell 5 Bitcoin. So that's $500,000, and then you obviously gotta pay your taxes or whatever. But that's besides the point. My point being is that regardless what really happens in this market, you got to think macro level. And all the macro indicators are saying that Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin is always going to be bullish. The amount of Bitcoin taking off the exchanges is dropping constantly. People are buying Bitcoin, taking it out of exchanges like Robinhood or Coinbase, all those exchange platforms. They're buying them, they're taking them off, they're putting it in cold or hot hardware wallets, and just hodling, guys. That's all you really gotta do, just hodl. And I'm not, guys. It's elementary. It's all elementary. You just need to have patience, my friends. And you will win. I have patience. I've always had patience. I love patience. Patience is something that lives through me. Because without patience, you have no discipline. And it's all about discipline in this market. Are you disciplined enough to wait it out? To wait this cycle out and see how it plays out? Because if you cannot wait, if you can't bear these times right now, you don't deserve Bitcoin. If you can't appreciate Bitcoin below 40,000, you do not deserve Bitcoin at 100,000, let alone 69, let alone 80,000. That's just that. Anyways, that's my philosophy for Bitcoin. Ethereum Ethereum pretty much might break down below this rising wedge since the year of what was it, 2020? Yeah, since 2020 crash, it might break down below this wedge on the weekly. Who knows, guys? As you can see, there is a descending triangle forming, which is pretty bearish for the most part. But regardless, I'm still holding. If we do ever keep coming down, the lowest we'll go is 2,000 in the short term. Maybe this, I don't know. It could go as low as 2,000 in the short term before breaking back up, unless there's a huge catalyst that just comes out of nowhere. I don't really know what's really going on for Ethereum. I haven't heard much Ethereum news besides that Ethereum 2.0 is still being developed. But that's nothing new. We all know Ethereum 2.0 is coming out whenever it's ready. But back to the Doji Doge. Doji is breaking down below our purple line, which is bad. It's very bad, which means that let me reset the chart, dude. It's bad because it means that we're losing our momentum. We're losing that bullish momentum, and I don't know, man. We held up good. We held up good for Dogecoin. My Dogecoin hype fell out. I haven't bought in a while. I've been wash trading, just taking my losses. So it's whatever. It's cool. We're still waiting. We are still waiting, guys. I haven't given up on Doge. Solana is breaking down. It broke out of this rising wedge as well. It's actually a great buy right now. I didn't even realize that, so I might pick up some. Cardano recently had some FUD. Charles Hopkinson, the creator of Cardano, apparently never graduated. He only did part-time school and claimed he graduated, and some of the schools didn't even have a PhD program. So he's caught in the lie right now. He hasn't responded yet, or unless he has, I'm not sure, but I don't really care about all that. I just care about the technical analysis. The technical analysis and the on-chain data. Technical analysis is really telling us that let's check on the 4-hour. We could still see some bearish momentum coming for Cardano. If we hit this support level right here at like 60 70 cents, I'm still picking it up. Because Cardano is still very bullish. There's some news yesterday about Cardano. I don't know, it was very bullish though. It was very bullish, and it was talking about how many NFTs. It was talking about how many NFTs was minted on Cardano. I think it was 80,000 or 800,000. Don't quote me. Don't believe me. Do your own research. I'm just going based off what I'm watching, what I'm seeing. VeChain is breaking down below, very below, down below. Let's reset the chart real quick. We're still very much in this range right here. Let me actually fix this so it's like right here now, because that was our recent bottom. Our recent bottom was like at 3 cents, 2 cents. Yeah, it was 3 cents. And we are out of this rising wedge that we were kind of forming, I guess, but it's not happening anymore. But it's fine, it's cool, guys. Don't worry, don't trip. Everything is going according to plan, no matter what. Matic is kind of breaking down. Let's reset that chart real quick. Breaking down, because guys, you've seen this happen. Boom, 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 boom. Came out, boom, 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 and we broke out. We might eventually break out even more, and as you can see, we're heading the X factor. We're breaking down under here. Maybe we consolidate under and then break out of this line right here, go in here, and then go into like pretty much price discovery mode over here. Maybe we follow this trend line or follow above it. I'm not sure, but remember, guys, it all depends on what Bitcoin does. Atom is still following the rising wedge. It's still going up the ladder. Lowest it could go is like $25, $24. It's right now sitting at 27, so nothing too crazy. Decentraland is breaking down a little bit. I haven't played Decentraland in so long. I'm still holding Decentraland, but I need to figure out more I need to figure out more about these metaverse plays, because Sandbox is good, Engine's good, Atlas is good. There's a lot more. And I encourage you guys to check them out. This triangle is being formed. I think it's ascending actually, so this could be very bullish for XRP. And not only that, guys, XRP is getting a lot of great news, and I'm talking like news that refer to their SEC case. Their SEC case is going great for XRP. The SEC is very, 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 very unconfident in there. They're very scared, actually. They're scared of their results because they know they're losing. XRP did nothing wrong. The SEC is just a bunch of idiots. I was going to say the R word, but they're a bunch of idiots, and they just want to control our money. What are you going to do? They're all a bunch of banking puppets, as Tony Edwards from Thinking Crypto says. And I believe him. Everyone all these United States politicians are all puppets. They're all puppets. Hillary Clinton, Janet Yellen the felon, Gary Gensler, puppets. Joe Biden is the biggest puppet out there. He's a bigger puppet than everyone else. Cause he called. It's funny. I still think this is hilarious. He called the Ukrainians Uranians. I just think that's so hilarious. He calls them Uranians. Anyway, AMP. I picked up some AMP recently at like 3 cents or 2 cents. I don't remember. But AMP is a pretty good coin. It's very, very, very undervalued. Bitcoin dominance is kind of rising right now. We actually, oh wow, we were bouncing between like 40% to like 41%. Now we're at 43%, which is really good. I like that. Total crypto market has been coming down, but we're gonna get squeezed into this apex, and then we're gonna see what happens at the X factor. Stock market, I don't really care about AMC anymore. I don't hold AMC anymore. Tesla's pretty. Oh, I think Tesla's going up today. It was recently going down. It broke down. It was recently going down to as low as. Wow, I didn't even know it went as low as. Oh, I would say 700. It went as low as 700. I seen it. I didn't buy it. I didn't have money. So I mean, right now I would say it's still a good buy. But if you're trading, if you're short term, in the short term, I don't think it's a good buy. I do not think it's a good buy, because I think the total stock market, and Tesla's part of the stock market is going to keep coming down. And with that being said, everything else comes down. So Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, whatever else, AMC, GameStop, they're all coming down eventually. Why? Why do you think because guys, just look at what's going on in the economy right now. The economy is going to shit. That's just that. The economy is going to shit. Not Bitcoin. Oil's going in crazy. Inflation is an all-time high. It's going to keep going up, and the CPI numbers are apparently they're going to go up like until 7.8, but honestly I think it's going to be at like 8%. It's going to be at 8%, which is total inflation. But inflation is more than just the CPI numbers, because it's unrealistic. They're using unrealistic data to really actually measure inflation, because inflation is actually going up at a more drastic rate, in my opinion. And all fiat currency is going to go to zero. As soon as the dollar dies, everything's going to zero. And guess who is going to reign on top? This guy right here. As soon as that happens, this guy, Bitcoin, is going up. He's going like Napa when he goes. It's going up, guys. Anyway, CRO Crypto.com coin is now called Chronos. I'm gonna remove the drawing. I don't really hold Chronos anymore. They are getting a lot of marketing. UFC, UFC, the what's it called, the soccer, basketball, football. Every sports campaign is really just getting involved with CRO coin. And I think that's a good marketing move. I like that. I really do like that. Shiba Inu is still it's still holding. Shiba Inu is still holding. I like that. And there could be a lot of potential for Shiba Inu still. I don't really listen. I don't really pay attention to this coin anymore either. Luna is kind of consolidating from where it was before. We could come down here. Let me just expand. We could come down as low as 55 as support. I would say good support level, a good short-term support level may be $70. Could go as low as 60, but very bottom is 50, in my opinion. But actually, let's reset the chart. If you look at the 4-hour, it looks like we might go up, but you zoom out on the daily, looks like we could come down a little bit. Weekly looks strong. Weekly looks really strong, but we look at the. I honestly try to look at the daily. The daily does kind of look bullish in a sense, even though the MACD is still kind of looks like it's ready to come down. But if you look at the RSI looks like it's ready to go up a little bit. But you gotta just, you gotta watch this part. You gotta watch this part. Maybe it reaches some resistance in the RSI and then just breaks down. Algorand is still below $1. It's actually below 80 cents now. That's actually a great buy for Algorand because Algorand is a very good token. I believe Algorand could go to as high as $5 by the end of this year, in my opinion. Facebook Meta is just fucked. They're just fucked, dude. Honestly, I'm taking them off because I don't really, care. Oh my god, Axie Infinity is very cheap right now. I didn't even know it was this cheap, and I might just buy. I might just pick some up. Axie Infinity, that's another NFT. I mean, yeah, NFT, but that's another metaverse play that is really good. It's one of the top metaverses out there. And I might just get myself involved just because Axie Infinity is very low right now. And I might buy some. That's just my opinion, though. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think of this video. Did touch on all these coins. Whatever coin you guys. What coins are you guys getting in this bear market? Listen, it's not a bear market. I should say this consolidation period. What are you guys picking up? I'm picking up, to be honest, more Bitcoin. I'm gonna try to get more Ethereum. Maybe just a little bit of Doge. Definitely gonna get some Solana and Cardano. VeChain, I need to buy some more. Matic, I just recently bought some. Atom, I need to get some Atom. XRP, I feel like I got enough. I need more though. You always need more, in my opinion. AMP, I'm gonna stick to my guns where I'm at. AMP, I might get some Tesla, not crypto related, but I might get some more Tesla. Maybe get some more. I might get some Microsoft too because I think Microsoft in the very long term is a very bullish pickup. Might get some more CRO coin because their NFT marketplace is going to be booming, especially with their marketing campaign, reaching out to all these. It's reaching out to a whole lot of sports industries, so that's looking good. Shiba Inu, I think I'm good where I'm at. Shiba Inu, I might get like a couple hundred more dollars worth. Luna, I need to get a full Luna before it goes back up because Luna has some great potential. Algorand, I might get some more. I think I got enough, but I still might get some more just so I could stake it. I had an OK coin, and I don't know what happened with OK coin, but the staking in OK coin was really bad. It was literally at like more than 10%, and then it just dropped to 0%. And I'm like, what the fuck? Why? It makes no sense. But anyway, I'm gonna get some more Algorand just so I could stake it. Axie Infinity. And guys, just so you know, staking, you guys have to stake your coin, regardless where it is. If it's in a centralized platform, decentralized platform, liquidity pool, OKCoin, whatever you're doing on a wallet, I don't care. Stake your coin. If you stake your coin, it's a savings account. You're earning interest on saving your coin, your money in a coin, regardless. Like, Who doesn't want to earn free money for holding something? It's oh, what did I do? I clicked on something. Okay. Yeah, because I can't show you on my phone, but I'll probably take screenshots and send it over in my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram page down below. You guys can check that out. I will be posting more often on that Instagram page. I haven't been posting lately. My recent post was literally just a motivational fitness post. But that's just me. I like to motivate. I just recently got into fitness. But that's just something about me. I'll probably touch base on that in a different channel because this is about investment. But health is investment. Health and wealth. Health equals wealth, and wealth equals freedom. And that's what we all are trying to achieve. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your thoughts. Just let me know your thoughts, guys. I'm open and I will read all these comments. All right? You guys take care.